Hello everyone, welcome to SkillUnify Academy. So I hope all are fine. So in this video, I will share some important questions, and back to back I will upload some important questions. And whenever I do solve this type of question, then how do I solve? That is most important. So my dear friend, if you see all videos, then definitely you can learn so many things. So my dear friend, this is our first question. So whenever I see this question, this is not a normal process. We can follow one process, that is BODMAS Rule. BODMAS means BODMAS. B-O-D-M-A-S. Now in here, if I discuss all the points, B means bracket. But I have three types of brackets. Like first one, that is first bracket. Second one, curly bracket. And third one, that is third bracket. And after that, that is off. Off indirectly you can say that is into. And D means division, and M means multiply, and A means addition, and S means subtraction. Whenever we have to solve, that is we can follow this process. So first of all we have to solve this. Okay, so we can write like 2.25 division 9 plus. So now also you can mix fraction convert to improper fraction. 5 1 is 5 plus 1, so 6 by 5. 6 by 5 minus. Now if I multiply 5 into 6 into 0.5, 5 into 6 into 0.5, 5 6 30 0. So 5 6 30 0 and 3, 5 by 25 and 28. Now I have now पॉइंट के बाद एक नंबर है, पॉइंट पर एक नंबर है, दो नंबर है, तो इधर से मुझे देखना पड़ेगा 1 2, तो आई कैन यूज इन हियर. तो आंसर इज 2.8. तो आई कैन राइट 2.8. हम लोग के पास ऑफ तो नहीं है लेकिन डी है, डिवीजन है, तो आई कैन मूव दिस. सो 2.25 डिवीजन 9. बट इफ आई सॉल्व दैट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई कैन यूज पॉइंट. So 9 2s are 18 and 4 5 9 5s are 45. 0.25. So I can write 0.25 plus 6 by 5 minus 2.8. Now I can convert decimal to fraction. So I can write 25 by 1 2. Point के बाद 1 2. So I can write 1 200 plus 6 by 5 minus 2.8. पॉइंट का एक नंबर है तो पॉइंट रिमूव करेंगे, इधर लिखेंगे 10. ओके, इफ वी कट डाउन 25 1 is 25, 25 4 is 100. Now that is 2 14 is 28, 2 5 is 10. Okay, so now we can write 1 by 4 plus 6 by 5 minus 14 by 5. Now we can go BODMAS. पहले A आता है, that means addition. So 4 and 5 both are different. If I find out their LCM, then we can put up 4 into 5, that is 20. Q. If I focus 4 and 5 both are different, means one is even, one is prime. So that's why we can put up 4 into 5 20. So we can write 20, 4 5 is 20, 5 1 is 5 plus 5 4 is 20, 6 4 is 24 minus 14 by 5. So that is 29 by 20 minus 14 by 5. Now I can move 20 and 5 at LCM. 25. 5 4 is 20, 5 1 is, and if I multiply 5 4, that is 20. So LCM is 20. 21 is 20, 1 29 is 29 minus 5 4 is 20 and 5 4 is 20, 4 14 is 56. So if I subtract 56 29, so that is 7 and that is 4 to 2. But listen to carefully. 29 is smaller as compared to 56. So that's why I can write minus 27 by 20. If I further division, that is 27 by 20, 21 is 20, 7.0, 3 is 60, and 10.00, 25 is 100. So that means we can write minus 1.35 answer. This is our answer. Okay, I hope you understood. I can share all the process. That's why I can follow lengthy process. So if you comfortable, then definitely you can cut down some process. But always you can follow whenever you have this type of multiple applications, means division, plus, minus, into, then definitely you can follow BODMAS. Without BODMAS, if you solve, then definitely you will get wrong answer. So always you can follow BODMAS process. Okay.